took a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video. This is part 2 of the cylinder head removal on Nipsey. I'm gonna start cleaning up everything. I had to go to New Mexico last week, so I couldn't take care of the head. So the head needs to go to the machine shop, but I need to figure out if it's warped first. So I'm gonna be cleaning up everything in here today. And also, I got a whole bunch of parts. So we'll be opening those up, see what I got. I don't even remember what I got. I don't even know what's in what box. But we'll be going over that, and we'll be doing some cleaning up and prepping for the head install. So, let's get to it. Okay, so you guys saw all the parts that we got in here. I showed you guys the straight edge. That's what I'm going to use to see about if the surface is flat on the cylinder head. Cylinder head's right here. I'm going to go ahead. I've already pulled off the studs for the valve cover. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up and pull the cams off. I'm not going to really talk through this. It's simple. Just pull all these. Work your way from the outside inward so that the inside is still holding it and one doesn't pop up. So go ahead and clean this up, spray it off with some brake cleaner, and then we'll see what it looks like once it's done getting cleaned. Okay, so I've got all the bolts off of the cams, the lobes for the cams. Thing about German vehicles is the exhaust cam is labeled A for exhaust and E for intake. So you'll see A1 through 7 and E1 through 7, but you can differentiate them by the front size where the Vanos unit is on the cams. But me, I'm gonna do it how I normally do it. So I'm gonna label these E7, E6, and then I'm gonna go I7, I6 or whatever, because yeah, that's just what I know how to do. So after I do that, I'm gonna pull these cams off, pull these lobes off, put them all in the same box, and then I'm gonna brake cleaner the mess out of this. So I'll be right back after I do that. Okay, so we got the lifters, the trays for the cams and everything out. The tops are 11mm nuts, so that's all you really need to know. That's why I'm not really going too in depth with this. So now I'm just gonna do a bunch of cleaning on the head. I'm not gonna show all that because that's just a waste of time, I feel like. But I'm gonna do a bunch of cleaning on it. I'm gonna clean off the surface over here. I'm gonna clean off the bottom. I'm gonna get that stuck piece out. I'm gonna take this sensor out. I'm just getting this head ready to go to the shop, to the machine shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll come back, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll jump right into checking the head to see if it's warped or not. I still don't even know. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now we've got the head mostly cleaned off. I use this little razor to get off the heavy stuff. But then again, I don't know how much of it I got off. So what I'm gonna do now is use some B12 chem tool. See that right there? And quadruple zero, whatchamacallit, steel wool. Spray it with a little bit and then just scrub it and get as much of it off. And then I'll get the straight edge and try and measure it and see what it's looking like. Okay, so now we've got our straight edge. It's all cleaned out. So what we're gonna do is mainly we're gonna check the middle first. I use a light source as right there. You can't really see anything coming through in the middle. 1 second. All right, so here you can't really see anything coming through. Here you can't see anything coming through. Into the middle, you don't see any light coming through. So that's how I normally do it. As long as you see that's good and your head is flush. I'm going to go from corner to corner. So from here to here. I'm gonna do the same thing. And go from this side to this side. Just going over the whole surface of it. And I'm gonna go here to here. Whole surface of it. And then we're good. Okay, so the head looked good. It could just be the gasket. These areas right here on the tops, like where you see the blue coming out, could be where it was actually blown through. I'm not sure. I'm gonna let the machine shop figure out what's going on with the head. This is my first time actually since I've done this, pulling out the gasket. So I'm gonna see how that looks. These are the dowels. They're annoying to pull out. Okay, so we got both of the dowels out. I'll put those away, make sure not to lose them. I'm gonna take the gasket out, and then I'll inspect the gasket. I'm gonna put it aside. I'll inspect the gasket in a little bit, but now it is time to clean off the surface of the head. I'll get a razor, I'll scrape off, knock off all these high points and stuff like that. And then what I'll do after that is clean off the piston tops. I need to blow out these pistons. Clean off these dirty pistons. I'm gonna try to use the B12 chem tool and try to see if that works or whatever. But as of right now, that's what's gonna happen. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're done cleaning up the head. Actually, let me give you guys a better look at it. Whoop. So we're done, not the head, the block, my bad. We're done cleaning up the block. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna look at it with a straight edge. I'm pretty sure the block is good because these normally don't warp. But I'm gonna check it still. That's gonna be it for right now. I need to get acetone and transmission fluid to clean off the top of these pistons because they look terrible. So I'm gonna do that once I get those, and then we'll carry on from there. Okay, well that's gonna be the end of this video. End of part 2 for the cylinder head. That's cylinder head right there. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.